How to fix Facebook Go to Community Standards problem. In today's video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then open apps option. Here on apps option, search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this. Scroll down, click now on storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click also OK, and now go and restart your phone. After restarting your phone and it's still not working, you have to disallow your Facebook and install it again, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.